Mr. Graphics Uni. So today we are going to learn how to do circular text effect in Photoshop. Firstly, take a new file and then create it. Now take a photo. Press on Ctrl+J. Go on the select option and click on the subject. Now click on the mask option. Now take the text tool and type the text. Then click on Ctrl+T and then right click and click on wrap. Now click on this and change it to the cylinder. Now arrange it. Click on Ctrl+J. Then click on Ctrl+T and then right click and click on the wrap. Now arrange it accordingly. Put the text layer behind the photo layer. Now click on Ctrl+J to duplicate the layer and then arrange it. Now link all 4 text layer and press on Ctrl+T and boom, it's done. Like and subscribe for more such videos.